everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, me, I don't understand what you on the app for this word again, really. Like, I don't understand. Why it be say all those people will be say whether they be pastor or I don't know what that they call them, they'll just they shook hand. I don't understand. This man carry girl like that. They show people how they will take the how they take the if they should count for the girl Kpekus, they teach them how they take the do am. I don't understand. Like seriously, it doesn't mean say now so the country they teach people nowadays. People your food that they wash Kpekus. It's just they should count this side. They should count this side. Like me not understand. Okay, if they teach them how to do experiment or how to true count for woman Kpekus, I don't understand. What if people they teach people nowadays? Me I don't understand, sha. Like the thing they really shocktalize me. Me I don't understand. When I see this video just now, the thing shocktalize me. Like what it make me even they talk for the matter be say. Then they forget say children dey people dey when they watch this social media and they not be young people. No, you know all those children that will be said some don't go they enter YouTube now they enter Facebook. They go they see all those things. It's no good. Eh? It's not good at all. Like more see they take am easy really. Because sometimes what they happen for this world now they shocktalize me. It they surprise me. What it will come make our Africa people they do this kind of thing. Eh? The other day, that's why I see the pastor say in they teach people how to take the jogodo, he carry girl like that, he carry girl like that, begin they do anything when he like. I was like, they say make the girl do a style. The girl go lie down, the girl go do like this. He said they teach people saying as well take the jogodo with their wife or their husband for house. For bed, you just put bed for church. I was like, where did this word they turn it to now? Where did this word they turn it to? Me, I don't understand. I don't really understand really. Eh? Sometimes I dey wonder, say, what did they happen for this word? Where did this word they turn it to? Eh? Anybody when need the video, if you ask me for the video, I will send and give them more. I go send the video, give them. Because the thing they shocktalize me, the thing they really surprise me really. Where did they happen? Where did they play? Why it be say now to the carry women now like down, they should count for their Kpekus. They teach people how to should count for Kpekus. My people. Where did this word they turn it to? This word does spoil. Oh, it don't really spoil. Sometimes I go just the wonder say God, our God go just get patient. They listen, they look all those things. What would they do? Eh? This thing they surprise me. Okay, what thing will come make this man now just carry girl like down? They should count for Kpekus, saying they teach people how to take they should count for Kpekus. Now what they consider they do again now for us of God? Me, I don't understand. My darling people, sometimes I they wonder for what the apple for this word, really. I they really they wonder, really. I they wonder, I don't know what this word they turn it to again. If not be say me, I don't do this social media now. I can't they do that. I can't be YouTuber now. Me, I be not they see all those things before. Like this thing, that's the thing they surprise me. I see the other one. That one just carry rubber walkie stick. Begin they use and the jogodo another girl. I was like, where did they happen? Where did this word they turn it to now? What did this word they turn it to? That's why I see the one will be say three girls they jogodo one man. Three girls they jogodo one man. And so the guy they cry there, they beg them. They say the boyfriend offend one of the girl. If a friend and break her heart, now they come pretend invite and come. They be call all of them come the jogodo the boy five times. And so the boy they cry for ground there. I said, okay, this one now will be so na come video on herself now. the video now don't full everywhere now. Now this one I can't like. Video now don't full everywhere. Now this one now can be good thing now be waiting. Now wow, my darling people, eh? If you see the young girls, their picture now, their video don't full everywhere. Okay, tomorrow now we don't want to settle down now. This video now can come out. How they will come reason themselves that time? How they will come reason themselves? They will come they feel bad for what they don't do. Because karma, you must visit you now one by one day. Like the one when they say they just they Facebook, they just they naked, they do anything when they like. I think for now, if you say they enjoy, that girl if say if they enjoy now, but tomorrow, okay, in the reason tomorrow, if the reason waiting will come happen tomorrow to now, no, they know the reason now. So that is why they say Mona they use on HQ sometimes. Mona they use on HQ. Waiting they happen for this world now, they tire me. If they read they tire me. Like sometimes I'll just say, waiting they worry them. Waiting they worry our girls. Eh? Waiting they worry them. How can somebody go just sit down and say now to just come the show Kpekus for everywhere? Now go just be in work. We just sit down, say now to the show Kpekus. To the show Kpekus for everywhere. Make people they see her like go be in work. Now wow, my people, eh? Now wow. Eh? Now wow. Eh? Person go just sit down, say now to the show Kpekus. If you not see what that girl do, that one for Facebook, eh? Just open his body down, just begin it. I was like, is this girl okay? This girl they okay? How can somebody go just sit down, say he want just the open his body, they show Kpekus to everybody. The day when they open now, the day when they open Kpekus, when they open the body, 11K na I wash her that day. 11K. In fact, I go address this issue again. Really. 11K. I was like, see people, you go do better thing. People no come. My darling people. Sometimes I go just the wonder. I go the wonder for our people really. You go do better thing for your Facebook. People no will come watch. But immediately you just do this kind of thing, all of them go rush. They want come wash. My people. Like this one when they talk about just now, they say they show it this thing now. People go fish share all those video give you. Where they should count for Kpekus, my darling people. Now wow, not to when Musa no go see forget to my darling people. Take care. So anytime you see this video, please help me to share it to your people, share it to everybody. Let the whole world hear of the video. Thank you. Bye. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife.